Products provided by TacX Pro Gear.
Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at the cleaning patches that were given to me to test by TacX Pro Gear. If you want to learn more about them, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the cleaning patches. Now, if you remember correctly in a previous video, these sent me these 2x2 patches, and it fits different calibers. But I wasn't able to clean my 22s, and I went ahead and I pulled out some smaller pads to try it with my 22. But they have a bunch of different sizes on them. There. These. More of these. Bunch of little ones. Now, I know I could have cut the other ones down, but that would have been kind of defeating the purpose of doing a review video, because I would have modified the actual product. But we're going to be cleaning my Phoenix Arm 22 long rifle. Now, I'm not going to disassemble it because, well, it's too hard to disassemble and it's too hard to get back together. But we're also going to be using the all-in-one formula, Clean, Lubes, and Protects Freedom Fluid, also from TacX Pro Gear. Grab one of these little pads. Grab some oil. Now, I had a buddy over the other night, and he wanted to see some of my guns and rifles and all that. And he was looking through them. He goes, "Man, these are really clean." I owe it to what I'm using. This stuff right here. It does do a good job. I'd also like to see it in a spray. Oh, that went in nice. That went in real nice. I'm kind of impressed right now, because the bigger ones didn't work too well. Look at that good cleaning in there. Yeah, man, yeah. I mean, I really like the pads in general. I mean, they don't leave that fuzzy stuff all over your guns. I'm pulling that pretty hard. I think I've seen one flake come off. I mean, they do keep your guns nice and clean. Let's try one of these bigger pads once. These are decent sized pads. Put a little bit of oil on there. Sorry about that, guys. Blue dog went in. But I'm putting some pressure on this over the grip. Reason being, I want to show you that this thing, you got one little flake on there. Now, the stuff that's on the mat is from other pads, I guarantee you. I mean, this thing, the pads, I got TacX Pro Gear. If you don't check them out for anything other than the oil and the pads, it's well worth it. I like the idea of having these pads so you can figure out what size is going to work best for you and what sizes you want. I'm going to give these pads a solid 5 out of 5. I like the variety. I mean, you can still cut these down to other pads, but the convenience it's there. The quality, it's there. Yeah, I'm going to give this a solid 5 out of 5. Make sure you check them out. I'll have a link below. Do me a favor. Click on that subscribe button somewhere up here. And as always, thank you for watching.